everyone, today I will be showing you how to make a boat out of materials that are easily available. So let's get started. The materials that we will be using are 2 plastic bottles of the same size, a glue gun, a straw, a balloon and a cardboard in the shape of a cube or a cuboid. First, take the bottles and place them like this. Next, I will use the glue gun to paste the cardboard onto these bottles. As you can see, I have already put the glue onto the cardboard. So now I am sticking it onto the bottles. So, as you can see now, the cardboard has sticked onto these bottles. So now we will take the balloon and the straw that we have and we will glue the balloon into the straw just like this. Now we have to take the straw and tape it onto the cardboard like